Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to use the sweep option in 123D Design. I'm going to start by doing it from scratch here. You start by drawing yourself a path that you want to travel along. So let's see, I'm going to designate here. And then endpoint of the arc, it looks like my build plate has disappeared here momentarily. And then we draw ourselves our arc. There we go. Alright, now from here, I'm going to draw the shape that I want to extrude along, or rather sweep along that path. I'm just going to draw it. Normally, I like to draw something by hand, like with my spline tool, polyline. In this case, I'm just going to use a circle, so it's real simple. I'm just going to insert a circle along my path here. I'm going to make it a radius 5. And I'm just going to click it right there on my path now. Now the last step we need to do is we need to turn this sideways at 90 degrees. So I'm going to use my move tool, and I'm going to turn this guy 90 degrees like so. That's 98 degrees. Let's make it 90. There we go. All right. Now, final step is we're going to sweep this sucker. So we go to our construct menu. We select sweep. Now, profile, right up here, we're going to select the side of our 2D object. It doesn't matter which side. And a path is that line we made. And voila, it extrudes it along the path. Now, if you want to get a little more complicated and make like a line drawing, like I was saying, of some sort of a shape, you can make things that look like actual rib bones or whatever you want to make, duct work, etc. I use this to make the cockpit on the Millennium Falcon because it has sort of a weird jog to it. So check this out one more time. We go here. We go to our construct menu, we select sweep. Our profile is going to be the 2D shape that we've turned 90 degrees. And then our pathway is going to be whatever line we've drawn. Boom, there we go.